Historically, we've made speakers and headphones and made a very big business out of making products that delight customers. We're going to now help people live more fulfilling lives with audio products that are focused on wellness rather than just entertainment.
So there are 3 pillars of general health and wellness: nutrition, exercise, and sleep.
And most people go through life thinking they can cheat sleep. They can burn the candle at both ends. There are significant health implications for not sleeping enough and not sleeping well. Things like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, cancer, Alzheimer's are all medically, statistically linked to poor and insufficient sleep.
This product is designed to protect people's sleep from unwanted disruptive noises. The honking of taxi cabs, people talking, loud neighbors, the dog barking, a hotel environment that you're just not accustomed to, the snoring person right next to your head.
I mean, we've been learning about ears at Bose for a very long time, and we've been able to leverage a lot of that knowledge.
We combine Bose's noise isolating Stay Here Plus tips with soothing sounds that are optimally tuned for masking noises. So sound masking works on this basic principle that if you have this disturbing sound that's going on, let's say like a low rumble of a snore, and you play another sound that's close to it in frequency, so let's say a low like thunderstorm, that thunderstorm is actually going to help to cover the original snoring sound.
What makes it special is our ability to do that in a form factor that is tiny, comfortable, and stable.
So many people sleep with their ear pressing into a pillow. So the Stay Here Plus tips are incredibly soft, and you'll see when you touch them and feel them how comfortable they really are and how you'll like having them in your ear.
Bose has never made a product that's this small before.
We sort of debated and fought over every millimeter that we could gain to make the products smaller.
It's actually very easy to use. So you download the Bose Sleep app, insert the sleep buds into your ears, select which noise masking sound you prefer, schedule a wake-up alarm, and you're good to go. The charging case is actually very cool. You get 2 nights of sleep on a single charge to the sleep buds themselves, and then the charging case will provide 1 additional full charge while you're on the go.
We want to bring customers in earlier than we have traditionally done at Bose to help us validate the product vision.
I think one of the elements that I'm most interested in hearing feedback on is just the idea of the product becoming part of your nightly routine.
For me, I want to know everything.
With this solution to this really massive problem that matters tremendously to people, we're going to change millions of people's lives. It's that simple.
If you need to carry 2 phones on the go for whatever reason, Peace is the simplest solution. This is how it works. Take the SIM card out from your work phone. Put it in Peace. Connect Peace to your private phone via Bluetooth. And now you can get rid of your work phone. When your friends or family call your private number, "Hey, I'm in a shoot right now. Can I call you back in a minute?" Or your boss calls your working number, it all happens in one phone. Via the Peace app, you can control all the settings of both your numbers separately. Manage your contacts, send text messages, basically just work your phone like you normally do. Peace is so small it fits easily anywhere. You barely even know it's there. Oh, one last thing. When your phone and Peace are over 15 meters apart, Peace will ring to prevent you from losing your only phone. You can also use Peace to look for your phone, just like you would your car in the parking lot. That way, we make sure you have one and only one phone on you at all times. Likewise, if Peace is in your wallet, you can use the Peace app to look for it. So it's nothing big, just this Peace right here. And it will certainly make your life a little easier. Thank you.
Did you know your toothbrush misses almost half your tooth surfaces? Most of it is between your teeth. So we're told to floss. But who likes flossing? Anyone? That's what I thought. And I don't blame you. It's awkward, it's time consuming, and here's the real kicker. It's not even the most effective way to clean between your teeth, according to a recent Associated Press report. There has to be a better way. Until now, water flossers have been one of the only players in the game. They're tedious, messy, and more often than not end up stuffed under a cabinet somewhere. Tooth Shower is next level water flossing and so much more. It's a complete oral hygiene experience from the comfort of your shower. Simply attach it to your shower wall and hook it up to the water source. Tooth Shower uses water pressure so no annoying plugs or batteries are needed. It's got 3 different attachments for a triple threat approach to oral care. First, there's the dual-headed toothbrush, which hits the front, back, and chewing sides of your teeth for comprehensive surface coverage. Then there's the irrigating tip. It reaches where the toothbrush can't. It's like a water flosser, only it's in the shower, so it's no mess, no fuss. Because it's in the shower, you'll never run out of water, and you won't have to sacrifice any precious counter space. And let's not forget about the revolutionary gum massager. Irrigating and stimulating blood flow in your gums, this is a huge part of gum disease prevention. And in less than 10 seconds, you can flush out everything between all your teeth while massaging your gums. For the first time ever, you'll actually enjoy cleaning your teeth. With each attachment, you can adjust the water pressure and temperature to your comfort level, and use with your choice of water, mouthwash, or tooth whitener. When you're ready to switch attachments, just remove and swap. Worried about getting water everywhere? Well, you're in the shower, so it doesn't matter. And with multiple attachments, the whole family can use Tooth Shower, which means better oral hygiene for everyone. That means a lot fewer expensive and painful dental procedures and fewer instances of gum disease. You probably won't be surprised to learn it was created by a dental hygienist. Lisa's been deep in the tooth world for over 25 years, and she realized that there wasn't a single, easy, convenient way for her patients to effectively clean their teeth. So she decided to design one herself. No power source, no mess, and because it's in the shower, Tooth Shower is easy to integrate into your routine, becoming as second nature as washing your hair or face. Lisa and her team have been hard at work perfecting Tooth Shower's design and prototyping for over 2 years. Now they just need your help getting Tooth Shower to the masses. With the funds raised here, they'll be able to place a bulk first order to get these made and bring Tooth Shower to market for a whole new approach to oral hygiene. Tooth Shower. The future of oral hygiene is in the shower. Back our campaign today.
At Power Practical, light isn't a product, it's the key to productivity. With your help, we brought the original Luminoodle to life, and we're back to introduce the brightest, most capable Luminoodle ever, the Luminoodle Task. The Luminoodle Task is a super bright, flexible, waterproof, portable ribbon of light that takes you where traditional lighting can't, so you can use it how you need it. And for the first time ever, we've made it linkable, so you can build your own ultra-bright, low-profile lighting system. The Luminoodle Task is loaded with features that let you decide how your light looks, feels, and fits into your space. Outfitted with the strongest magnet sliders we've ever made, you can stick it anywhere, confidently. With the built-in controller and wireless remote, it's dimmable. And with multiple ways to power it, the Luminoodle Task goes where you go. Please back or share our project and show us how you use your noodle.